I don't care how cool you are, Mr. Raspberry Pi. I don't trust you. We're on the road again. Hanky's on the road again. Yeah, we're off to go get the new internet router. So yeah, today we're going to be upgrading the internet at the house and the workshop technically at the same time because it's the same network. Okay, I made a mistake. It's the Express 7. And let's get it back to the workshop. Stopped in to get some lunch, and now we're heading back to the workshop. See, this car wash you're about to witness is actually kind of sick, and I don't know how they haven't gotten a copyright claim or what from Rockstar, but sir, that's a Liberty City inspired artwork. Maybe it's GTA 6, who knows? Now let's get this baby all set up. Gotta make a couple of VLANs, a couple of Wi-Fi networks, add some firewall rules, and to feed the Reddit mods some controversy, because I like to with them, let's make the schema different IPs. And now my computer is safe, and my entire network is protected from bleeding internally from VLANs, and my family can no longer look at my pictures of sexy bread on my media share.